Hey y'all, it's Dr. Tiffany. I hope you're doing well. So today's science topic is a rather interesting headline that was in The Guardian this morning, that synthetic human embryos have been created in the lab. Now what this means, they didn't grow like a bubbling tank where there's people hanging in them, okay? So which is kind of the first thing that popped into my head when I saw that. But actually, what they did is they took stem cells, basically artificial stem cells, and they were able to get them to grow to just beyond a 14-day embryo, which is 14 days is where the body starts giving, where embryos will start developing into the parts of the cell lines that eventually give rise to the human body, but there is no brain cells or heart cells or anything like that. The experiment didn't go past there, but it brings to host a whole huge realm of possibilities, but it also brings a whole lot of ethical questions, because at what point will they be people? I know that there's some groups that'll argue that it's evil to even think about such a thing, but to be clear, embryo cells have been created in things like mice and monkeys, and when implanted into the uterus of those animals, even when they've grown much further than 14 days, or the equivalent in those animals, they don't develop as normal pregnancies do. So there is something that is still completely undiscovered. You can't make like an artificial person this way, okay? There's not, and these are truly synthetic. They're not derived from, old stem cell lines or anything like that. But there's still ethical questions, if they were somehow, grown in the lab, could they possibly develop into a fetus? But also, could they possibly grow a liver? Or heart? Or a kidney? When do you weigh the balance of the ethical possibilities on one side versus the ethical possibilities on the other side? You could use that to cure pediatric heart disease, congenital abnormalities. It's just something I wanted to put out there as, this is a true science topic. It's also something very cutting edge, very future, and it's actually going on right now. So food for thought. I love you all. Stay safe.